Good day everyone, how you doing? I hope you guys doing very well there and welcome back to our channel. It is very happy to see you again into another video. So this time I would like to share you how to do the photo editing using the Gemini AI. How to do that? So without any further ado, and let's get into the tutorial. Well guys, the first step you can do, you can start to install this Gemini AI, and here I am accessing it with my Android phone. And don't worry, because this AI is accessible with your iOS phone, tab, or even the PC guys. And as you can see, you can start to have the photo editing with the Nano Banana model because it already stick or embedded with this Nano Banana. And you don't have to upgrade it into the pro version if you would like to do the photo editing. And also if you would like to try the photo editing without activate this Nano Banana, then it is pretty okay because it still work anyway guys. And for example, I would like to start upload a picture from the gallery like this. And for example, I want to choose this picture and click done. And after that, you can start to put the prompt or request into this section. And for example, I would like to change the background of this picture that is a woman reading the book, and behind her there is the bookshelf. And for example, kindly add the flag of, let's say, Ghana behind this woman. Also, or maintain the bookshelf behind her. Something like this, and after that you can continue to click enter to generate the picture and also the request here. So probably the generation process usually take 15 seconds until 1 minute because it also depends on the complexity of your prompt and also what the picture gonna be. So after waiting for a while, so the picture will be like this. As you can see, the picture keep the maintaining the realistic look like this. This is before and this is the after. We add the flag behind this woman and also maintaining the bookshelf, even though that the background is still being blurred to create the bokeh effect. Isn't that cool, right? So you can start to download this picture and it will be saved into your gallery. And you can also do the continue to do the editing with this picture guys. Or you can also refine the output of this picture. For example, you can hold this from before and you can click edit here. And for example, you need the revision or the additional stuff. For example, I would add the flags here of Ghana and Nigeria, for example. And after that, add some people behind her, and also they are reading a book like this, and you can enter it. So the picture before will be renewed into or following the newest prompt that we have just put or generate into this section. So this will be the picture after the generation process, guys. So you can do your editing and your creation with this Gemini AI to do the photo editing. So that's all, guys. I hope this video finds you helpful and entertaining. And if you have any requests or feedback, please don't worry to put it on a comment section, because we would love to share comments there. And also don't forget to give this video a like and subscribe this channel. I'll see you in another video, and thank you for watching. Bye, guys.